Hello everyone, this tutorial will show you how to set your default printer. So you can do it several ways. You can either come to the box and type it in printers, and it'll pull up printer scanners, or you can go to the Windows box, scroll down and see till you see settings. I want to go to devices, and you want to click on printers scanners. Again, I think it's easier just to go search for printers and scanners. Pulls it up right there. Now you want to make sure that this box, let Windows manage by default printer, is clicked off. You want that off. Then all you do is find your printer that you've installed, go to manage, set as your default, and then every print job will default to that printer. Now when you go and try to print something, it will allow you a choice of choosing different printers, but this printer that you've set as default is the one that it will automatically go to if you don't want to choose a different printer. If you want to change your default printer, you just click on that other printer, go to manage, and then set that as default, and that will override it. Alright, if you have any questions, email me or come find me. Thank you.